take whatever quantity of butter and warm it up on a low heat. After 20 or 30 minutes of boiling, the white stuff is starting to float on top. That is actually the lactose that you want to eliminate. Those are the bad greases, the bad fats that you want to take off. Once that is taken off, you can, and there's no more coming up, you get a clear, clarified butter. From there, you let it cool down a little bit and start sterilizing the jars and the lids before putting the whole ghee in the recipients. And you're done. Ghee is also a kind of butter that is not affected by the heat, so you don't have to refrigerate it. Another benefit of using ghee.